Some things are best done by yourself. When it comes to millimeters, when every move has to be right, if every detail is to be meticulously planned, when the highest precision is required, we leave it to no one but ourselves. Because we have all development and production steps under control. We are well positioned. We go into depth to meet our high standards. We focus on quality and bend with passion. We love our independence and do everything ourselves to offer the best solutions for the expansion of state-of-the-art infrastructure networks. We focus on reliability and safety because looking ahead is how you get ideas to fly. And to customers all over the world. Langmatz. Innovative solutions for telecommunication, energy, and transport infrastructure. We are the market leader for polycarbonate manholes in Germany. With a global sales department that lifts up our customers' needs. In Germany, Austria, and Switzerland. In many countries in Europe. And in growth markets around the world. Langmatz is teamwork. Everyone gives their best in consulting and training of our customers. In educating and promoting young talents. And as a reliable employer with a future. We focus on sustainability for current and future generations. Through our high recycling rate, conservation of resources, and use of renewable energies. With our factories in the region, we remain true to ourselves. At home in Garmisch. Proven in the world. Our experience for the networks of today and tomorrow. Langmatz.